Hello builders, I'm Kamesh, lead developer advocate at Snowflake. Choosing between the speed of serverless and the security of a robust identity management is a frequent dilemma. Today I'm going to show you how you can achieve both using Snowpark Python, AWS Lambda, and Snowflake's Workload Identity Federation, WIDF. We are going to build this workflow where S3 triggers Lambda, Lambda connects to Snowflake using temporary credentials, and Snowpark writes the data to Snowflake. No hard-coded secrets involved. Let's get started. Before we deploy, let's look at the app.py. I just want to focus on just one thing, the session builder. Notice that there is no password here. The authenticator is being configured to utilize the temporary identity token obtained from AWS. This is the heart of WIDF, using the function's identity to log in. Now let's deploy this. I'm going to run a command task demo fail. If you haven't used the task before, check the task file.yaml in the repo. It's a recipe book that traps these complex CLI commands. The task deploys our infrastructure and drops a file into S3. Then the Lambda triggers. I call this task fail because we expect the connection to be rejected. And as you see in the logs, our connection has been rejected. Let's fix that in the next step. Let's establish the trust. I'm going to run the task demo success. This task runs a SQL that configures security integration, maps IAM role on to our Snowflake users. Crucially, once the trust is established, the task automatically re-triggers the file upload. This time, when the app.py runs, it successfully exchanges those credentials, validates the role on, and ingests these records. The upload silently succeeded. Let's verify. I'm switching to Snowflake and query my daily summary table. Data is already here. Remember, we deployed a dynamic table during setup. As soon as that Lambda ingests the raw data, the dynamic table detected the change and refreshed the summary automatically. And that's the power of this pattern. You get the security of Workload Identity Federation with the simplicity of Snowpark Python. Check out the video description for demo sources, documentation links, and other useful tools. And don't forget to give the task demo fail and demo success you run by yourself to see WIDF in action. Thanks for watching and happy coding.